Today, we're going to talk about the many ways your cat shows love. Yes, that's right, your furry friend loves you. And not just because you're the one who opens the cans of food. So let's dive into the 10 ways your cat shows love. Number 1, the headbutt. No, we're not talking about a full-on collision here, but rather the gentle nudge of your kitty's forehead against your face or hand. This is your cat's way of saying, "Hey, I like you. You're cool." It's like a kitty high five, only softer and fluffier. Number 2, the slow blink. Have you ever caught your cat staring at you with those big, beautiful eyes? Well, if your cat slowly blinks at you, it's like a kitty kiss. Try it out. Give your cat a slow blink and see if they return the gesture. It's a sign of trust and contentment, and a great way to bond with your feline friend. Number 3, the kneading. You know that weird thing your cat does with their paws, where they push and pull at you or a soft surface? That's their way of showing affection. It's like they're saying, "You make me so happy. I could knead dough." It's also a leftover behavior from kittenhood, when they kneaded their mother's belly to stimulate milk production. So, when your cat kneads you, they're essentially saying, "You're my mommy, daddy, and I love you." Number 4, the tail greeting. When your cat approaches you with their tail held high, they're not just saying hello. They're showing trust and affection. It's like a cat hug, only without the arms or the slobber. Number 5, the lap snuggle. Sure, cats are independent creatures, but when your kitty curls up on your lap and purrs, it's a sure sign that they feel safe and content with you. It's like a warm, fuzzy blanket that also happens to have a heartbeat. Number 6, the nose boop. A tiny, gentle boop from your cat's nose is like a tiny love tap. It's a way of saying, "I acknowledge you and I like you." It's also a great way to wake up in the morning, assuming your cat isn't trying to stick their nose up your nostril. Number 7, the gift. Yes, we know, bringing you a dead mouse or bird might not be your idea of a romantic gesture. But in the feline world, it's a sign of affection. Your cat is saying, "I caught this for you. Aren't I a great hunter? Aren't you proud of me?" It's like a little trophy, only with more fur and less metal. Number 8, the belly expose. When your cat rolls over and exposes their belly to you, it's not just an invitation to rub their tummy, it's also a sign that they trust you and feel comfortable with you. After all, a cat's belly is one of their most vulnerable areas. But be warned, not all cats like belly rubs, and some may interpret it as an invitation to play fight. Proceed with caution. Number 9, the follow. Does your cat follow you around the house, even into the bathroom? It's not just because they're nosy, although that's part of it. It's because they love you and want to be near you. Cats are social creatures, and they often form strong bonds with their humans. So, if your cat is following you around like a little shadow, take it as a sign that they enjoy your company. Number 10, the purr. The ultimate sign of feline contentment and happiness. When your cat purrs, it's like they're singing a love song just for you. And while we still don't know exactly how cats produce that mesmerizing sound, we do know that it's associated with relaxation, healing, and bonding. So the next time your cat crawls onto your lap and starts purring, bask in the warmth of their affection.